Welcome to MedicoApps PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this clinical question from oral surgery, which was asked in the year 2024. Now, the question says that a 23-year-old boy had a road traffic accident and sustained a fracture in the angle of the mandible. Okay. Now, which is the best treatment for him? Now, the options given were 2 mini plates at superior and inferior border, 1 mini plate on the external oblique ridge, 1 recon plate or reconstruction plate at inferior border of the mandible, 1 recon plate between the superior and inferior border of the mandible.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now, the correct answer for this is this C, 1 recon plate at the inferior border. Now, in the cases where a 23-year-old boy is there, angle of the mandible is there, we need something to provide rigidity and you can say good fixation. If you are placing too many plates, that's not, you can say, provide excellent stability or you can say support to the mandible. Since that mandible will be moving when the patient will be opening mouth or taking food for all those things. So this is not favorable. 1 mini plate again on external oblique ridge, this does not provide any kind of stability. For that purpose, these two, they are ruled out. Now, generally we prefer reconstruction plate. So the option which we have, it is placing on the inferior border or placing it in the superior and the inferior border. Though this is not the related image, just I have pasted this image for your reference. Here you can see the fracture at the angle of the mandible, right? So you want your plate to be like this. Okay, so this is your reconstruction plate or recon plate. Now you need to give this recon plate at the inferior border of the mandible, right? So this is how it is fixed. This is not the recon plate, but still you can just imagine how this is done. So the correct answer is option C, 1 recon plate at the inferior border. Though you can give this also, but again the stability issue is there. For that purpose only, the most favorable option is this reconstruction plate at the inferior border of the mandible, because it provides, you can say, stronger support and rigidity at this place, angle of the mandible.